welcome to the Svive Hydra Streaming Kit or Svive Hydra microphone review. And first impressions getting the box, I think it looks quite nice. It's nothing extravagant or anything extremely luxurious or something like that, but I think it's quite nice for what you're paying. Keep in mind this is a budget pack really, and you really get a lot of quality for what you pay for. So opening up, we first got the instruction manual, which tells you a bit more about the specs, which I will be showing up later, but then also some installation guides and yeah, how to get it started basically. So let's put that aside. And next up we have the pop filter, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about this in the coming clip, but it's really something that you have to play around with to get the right feel for. Here we got the windscreen. Okay, so here we got the actual microphone, and as I said, this is a kind of budget pack. It really isn't something anything extremely extra, but at the same time I think it's really quite nice for the money that you're putting out. And it looks clean, nothing special, but yeah, it looks nice. And then we got the cable, which is USB to a specific microphone output or input. And next up we got the holder for the microphone, which is quite nice. Reduces noise from any kind of shaking or table slamming or anything like that. And then last but not least we got the actual mount, the actual arm, and it's quite nice. It's sturdy, it's all in metal, but at the same time it's lightweight, so yeah, nice. And that seems to be it. And here we got all the items lined up. Okay, so this is how I've got the microphone set up, and of course it's completely personal how you want to angle the mic and all that, but I found it was the best and the easiest for me to have the mic standing upright like this and the pop filter coming from overhead, because then I can peek over the mic and actually see my keyboard and the screen basically. And then, as I went in on a bit before, it's important to just play around a bit with the pop filter, because it can't support the weight all over the place, so you have to play around a bit with that. Okay, so this is not how we want to be, and this works, it's okay, but this is the optimal, yes. Okay, so here I blessed you with a bit of a comparison between the different distances, how it's gonna sound. So this is quite far away from the mic, and this is a little bit closer, more of a normal range, and this is right up against the mic, which, as you might hear, renders the best listening experience. Next up we got the comparison between the mic on my headset and the Svive. Okay, so this is the built-in microphone on the SteelSeries Arctis 3 headset. And this is the switchback to the Svive Hydra. So while you certainly don't need an advanced microphone like this when you're simply chatting with friends or doing some really simple audio recording, it's quite nice to also have the added quality that a real mic like this brings. And here we got some of the specs for those who are interested in that. Thank you for watching.